Hello developers, hope you are doing great. Welcome to my channel. My name is Nikhil. I am from India and I love sharing my knowledge. So from today we will start learning about integration and web services implementations on the Servicenow platform step by step. So let's go ahead without wasting our precious time. Before going for the implementation, it's very crucial to have the awareness of this following terms which you can see over the screen. So the first is www. www stands for World Wide Web. It is a system of interlinked web pages, browsers, servers, and protocols that works together to allow users to access information over the internet. So components of the www system: browser. User uses browsers to search for a specific website. So users open any browser, for example, Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, and many more like that we have to access the websites. And we also say client and server, a computer that stores and delivers web pages when a user requests them. And we have HTTP protocol. HTTP stands for Hypertext Transfer Protocol, is the rule used for communications between browser and server. So this HTTP here is kind of a delivery person who takes your request to the server, and once the server will respond you, this HTTP will deliver that response from server to you. Uniform Resource Locator tells the browser where a resource web page is located. This is Uniform Source Locator tells the browser where a resource I mean to see web page is located. Collection of web pages that are built for specific purposes such as sharing videos, images, news, and purchasing products online. For example, using YouTube you can watch videos. Using pixels.com you can upload your image, you can download image from there. Using BBC News website you can read the news. Using Amazon, Flipkart you can do the shopping. So friends, we understood what is www. Let's try to understand the difference between websites and web services. Websites are nothing but collection of web pages that user can access through a web browser. And websites are meant for human consumptions. And websites usually displays pages with text, images, and videos. Example: YouTube, Wikipedia, and many more websites like that we have. While talking about web services are built to allow applications to communicate and exchange data over the internet. It is meant for machine consumption and it returns data in the format of JSON or XML. Example: REST and SOAP based services. Services and websites we understood, but What is this types of web services are nothing but this REST and SOAP web services. The most commonly used web services are REST and SOAP. SOAP stands for Simple Object Access Protocol. REST stands for Representational State Transfer. Besides REST and SOAP web services, there is another called GraphQL that we'll discuss later. So let's discuss integration. Integration is nothing but connecting two different application software that are running in different server and have different architecture to communicate and exchange data over the internet.